हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल भी ब्लॉग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं डायपोल मोमेंट। डायपोल मोमेंट क्या होता है? इट मेजर्स द नेट प्रोजेक्टर नेट पोलैरिटी ऑफ ए मॉलिक्यूल म्यू इक्वल टू क्यू क्रॉस डी, वेयर क्यू इज चार्ज इनटू डिस्टेंस, डी इक्वल डिस्टेंस। पोलर मॉलिक्यूल HF हाइड्रोजन फ्लोराइड लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव। नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल हाइड्रोजन टू हाइड्रोजन। डायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल होमोटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल्स sample sub we suppose any heteroatomic molecule 500 of different atom exert different for net force net mu equal to 0 not equal to 0, net force mu is not equal to 0, net u mu is not equal to 0, polar HCl net force equal to not equal to net mu is not equal to 0, polar triatomic but FBF non-planar net force is equal to 0, net mu is equal to 0, lone pairs of electron exert maximum force and net force is not equal to net mu is equal to 0, every 3 polyatomic orbitals BCl3 BF3 Bi3 BrBB Br3 net force net mu is equal to 0, non-polar 10 Newton. तो net force is equal to 0, net mu is equal to 0, non-polar polyatomic net force equal to 0, net mu is equal to 0, non-polar polar colloids aerosols emulsions fumes coagulations thermodynamically unstable dispersed system aggregation or coalition decrease free energy associated with large interfacial area and energy free positive lyophobic dispersions aggregations are coalesces rather than contact with the continuous phase dissolvent one dimension 10 power minus 7 centimeter to 10 power minus 4 centimeter colloidal function of lyophobic colloid by dispersion or formation condensation dispersion one of the two phases is termed as under condensation involves supersaturation of a phase with solute precipitation into very small particles lyophobic colloids coagulation and colloidal solution. It is the process of charging the colloidal solution into precipitation by adding atoms. Hardy-Schulte principle: coagulation pressure of an electrolyte is directly proportional to the fourth power or Rayleigh theory or fourth power. Coagulation H2S3 Al3 Mgl2 NaCl Al3 plus Mg2 plus is greater than Nu plus. Fe3 K4 KCl6 PO4 2 minus SO4 are effective in causing potential collider. Identification of emulsions. Emulsions are the colloidal structure in which both dispersed phase and dispersed medium are liquid. Liquid colloidal solution emulsification, the process of preparing emulsion in just liquid by shaking two immiscible liquid by the help of centri emulsifying agent. Types of emulsion: air phase, water phase, water phase, medium, oil phase. Identification of dye test. Oil soluble dye is added to the emulsion if same glazed spot observed structured that this its and oil in water type. Gas: a colloidal solution with dispersed phase is liquid and NaCl are solid. Give gel essential solution. Elastic gel have the property of elasticity. Non-elastic: elastic nature by example given. Charges are colloidal: positive charge soul, negatively charged soul. Hydrated metallic oxides example given है Al2O3 dot XH2 hydrate, aluminum oxide hydrate, chromium oxide hydrate, Fe2 iron oxide hydrate. Basic dye and stuffs example के methylene blue color, hemoglobin blood oxide by TiO2 negative 2iO2 gel. Metals example is copper, mercury, metallic sulfide As2S3 Sb2S3 CdS. Acid dye stuff example given reagent Congo red salts of starch gum gelatin clay charcoal etc. AgNO3 plus KAGI plus KNO3 capacitor potential difference pole neutral potential difference zeta potential. Types of colloids and their properties. Solution: oil and water. Suspension: there is a heterogeneous mixture composed of large particles that are available to negative homogeneous mixture. Colloidal suspension. The suspension colloidal. The particle in a colloidal are large enough to scatter light, which is a phenomenon called Tyndall effect. Component of colloid: solid, dispersed in gas, cloud, fog, mist, liquid, dispersed medium, Sparse get medium clouds, fogs, and use involve liquid dispersed in gas. Seven crystal structure system cubic is now equal to b is equal to c alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree of tetragonal a is equal to b now is equal to c alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree orthorhombic a is not equal to b not equal to c alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree monoclinic a is not equal to b not equal to c alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 beta is equal to 90 degree triclinic a is not equal to b not equal to c alpha is equal to not beta is equal to not b equal to 90 degree hexagonal alpha a is equal to not equal to not b is equal to not equal to c alpha is equal to beta into 90 y is equal to gamma is equal to beta 90 degree rhombohedral AB is equal to B is equal to C alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to 90 degree gamma is not equal to 90 degree Miller indices the plane which passes through the crystal lattice and intersects lattice point is called lattice plane. Some examples are and the intercept made by the plane in x y z axis are respectively reciprocal of x intercept y intercept 1 upon infinity z intercept y is equal to 0 Miller indices of the plane 0 1 0 no need for commas in separating values of Miller indices 0 1 0 by value of Miller indices cannot be formed fraction crystal lattice neon is represented diagrammatically such as that each particle is depicted as a point such as an element is known as crystal lattice. There are 14 possible dimensional lattices known to us. These lattices are named after the French mathematician who first discovered it. They are then thus they are known as Bravais lattice, rhomboidal, orthorhombic. Dependence of viscosity and temperature. Temperature is nothing but root mean square velocity of the molecules in the gas. Viscosity of liquid decreases, the temperature rises. Higher temperature cause higher velocity increases, increasing the number of collisions in increasing viscosity. V is equal to 1 by 2 p lambda as rise in temperature cause higher molecular vibration. Higher molecular vibration cause cohesive bonds to break, reducing the cohesive forces. Increased temperature are directly proportional minus negative degrees of viscosity. Increased temperature directly proportional to increase of viscosity. What is effect of temperature on surface tension? The temperature of liquid increases, the distance between liquid molecules increases. This decreases the surface tension. Surface tension is directly proportional upon temperature of liquid. Effect of contamination is surface tension of liquid decreases with increase in impurity. Diffusion: if molecules are left alone, they will move about randomly. Diffusion is not net movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to an area of low concentration. Diffusion can happen in both gases and liquid. In gases and liquid, diffusion can both also take place through some materials and cell membranes inside. In cell membranes, partially membrane only some molecules can diffuse through inside outside. Diffusion is a passive process doesn't require any energy from the cell. Concentration gradient: the difference in concentration between two places. Larger concentration gradient, higher the rate of diffusion. Temperature: higher temperature gives the particle more energy, more around, faster diffuse more quickly. Higher temperature, higher rate of diffusion. Larger series, higher rate of diffusion. Inertia: the resistance to change in motion, resistance to change in velocity. A greater resultant force is needed to change the motion of an object with high inertia. Inertia mass is a measure of how difficult it is to change the velocity of an object by law of constant proportion. A chemical consists of the same elements combined together in the same proportion by mass. Example: water has two atoms of hydrogen, mass of hydrogen atom, mass of oxygen atom equal to solar mu 1 atom. Ratio of mass equal to 2 into mass of hydrogen atom upon 1 cross 1 into mass of oxygen atom equal to 2 into 1 mu upon 16 1 on 8 1 ratio 8. 1 gram of hydrogen equal to 0 gram 8 gram of oxygen. Gaseous state other equation of state and various equation. Clausius equation p plus a upon t b plus c का whole square b minus v rt. Berzelius equation p plus a upon t b square b minus v is equal to rt. Dielectric equation p is equal to rt upon v power minus a upon rt b. Pb is equal to rt ap और plus 1 TPC T1 minus 6 TC square critical temperature upon T square. Cameling once equation general equation PB equal to A plus BB plus CP square plus DP cube P equal to pressure value equal to volume constant volume A equal to B equal to C. First, second, third viral coefficient. The viral coefficient are different for different gas at very low temperature pressure. Only the first viral coefficient is significant and is equal to RT. At higher pressure, the other viral coefficient also become important and must also be considered for increasing temperature. Zero is increasing T equal to 0 boil temperature. Second viral coefficient B is negative at low temperature. The first viral coefficient is always possible and increases with temperature. Z equal to PV upon RT equal to 1 upon R upon V plus C upon V squared does not depend pressure. Ideal and non-ideal solutions are outlined. Pure A, pure B. Delta mix change in volume on VF 0. Delta S is max is greater than 0. LV is max less than 0. Ideal which follows outline at all concentration and all temperature. P absolute equal to P naught AXA plus P naught B XV equal to P naught AXA PB XV. Delta V mixing is equal to 0. A interaction equal to BB interaction equal to AB interaction. Same. Heat absorbed equal to heat release of formation. Breaking up A and BB heat released formation. Ideal solution P observed is not equal to P naught AXA P V observed to P naught B upon X V delta mix is not equal to 0. Delta H mix is equal to not equal to bar A is not equal to B A B BB interaction delta S is equal to 0. Delta G is equal to X is equal to 0. P total is not equal to P naught A B X A plus P naught B X I V. So the positive deviation from route loss, so negative deviation from route loss. Strong acid plus water, H2 plus H2O, K2SO4 plus H2O, CH3, Cl3, CH3, COCH3. Ideal gas delta S mix is delta M, delta V mix is greater than 0. A is greater than M, AB interaction weaker for domestic is stronger weaker. Collision diameter, collision frequency एंड मीन फ्रीक्वेंसी दो कोलाइड करने वाले मॉलिक्यूल्स के सेंटर के बीच डिस्टेंस कोलिजन डिस्टेंस कहलाती है. सिग्मा फॉर S2 इक्वल 2.74 एंगस्ट्रॉन, सिग्मा फॉर O2 इक्वल टू 3.16 एंगस्ट्रॉन,